Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
But due to the pandemic situation and the cases rising all over the country and globally, being in business for the last 30 years, today has come with a new product. And the product is known as Swastea'and Tea. It's a new product which is a immunity booster. And in this product, we have almost 4 ingredients. Like we have the black pepper. We have the black pepper. Then we have cinnamon. We have tulsi and dried ginger. So all these ingredients is a very good ingredient for in the situation today for improving your immunity. And today, if at all this pandemic is catching on to a lot of people, even there is mortality deaths, we need to take this product.